Behind this very door, our unit door, is a very special car that we've been trying to get hold of for ages. Here's the keys. Can you guess what it is? It is a, step with me, Lancia Delta Integrale Evo 2. Where the camera going, Elliot? It is a Lancia Delta Integrale Evo 2 in this beautiful, I don't want to say Ferrari red. It's actually Rosso Monza red, which basically means, in my opinion, Ferrari red. Shall we walk around the car, Elliot, and show you how amazing this car actually is and all the little tweaks and styling and So you may see a World Rally Championship badge in the rear window, which basically means over those 6 consecutive years from 1987 till 1992, this Lancia Delta Integrale Evo 2, or what the rally version was based on, won the World Rally Championships 6 times in a row. Just to put that in perspective, a Subaru, or Subarus, as far as I'm aware, they only won it twice. That's how much of a pedigree this car actually has. We've got an adjustable rear wing, again a homage to the sort of rally version. We've got loud sort of shouty styling as it comes out from the car around the wheel arches. Love these wheels, by the way. I mean, beautiful. This arguably could be Italian styling at its very best. Just look at the front of it. Look at the grille from its age. Just so nice. I mean, every angle I look at this car, I'm just drawn to different bits, from the wheels to the grille to the lights to the, even just the arches. Let me show you the engine bay. You'll love this. She has a 2-litre turbocharged 16-valve stunning engine, and it's also had the original turbo out. The engine's been fettled with, and they've put in a hybrid turbo. I have no idea what that means, but it's had a hybrid turbo, right? We're car detailers, we're not mechanics. As you can see, we have already cleaned this engine bay before we went off to a Lancia specialist, where even the hose lines underneath the actual car have been refitted. Suspension parts have been ripped out, redone, replaced.
Can't believe how clean it's been. I've been under there with cloth.
Even down to the bolts of this car have been re-galvanized, retorqued and marked up, so everything is as perfect as it possibly can. No expense has been spared in trying to get this car as good as it can, and now it's ready for us. Actually, before I forget, beautiful bit is also the interior. So we've got the Recaro beige seats that we have taken out many months ago, and we steam clean absolutely everything, you know, to make it as pristine as it possibly can be, even the headlining, you name it. I adore the retro look to this car. I mean, mate, it's so cool, this. The amount of looks that he must get driving this compared to any other car, you must get more looks in this than anything else, right? Has to. I mean, no matter who you are, car guy, not car guy or girl, you see this and you go, what is that? That's how good and beautiful this machine is. These Lancias in this condition are so incredibly rare and just impossible to find, because even when you could buy one back in the late 90s, they were too expensive, arguably, for what they were compared to other cars that you could have bought at the time. The last sort of main run of all the Lancias, mainly, as far as I know, were bought in Japan. Hence why we're on this side of the car. And can you see that, Elliot? Have you seen that? So we've got all the, I presume, I mean, I don't speak Japanese, mate.
I don't read Japanese.
I don't read Japanese, you know what I mean? Again, when the customer went and bought this at auction, even the auctioneers, the people who put it through the auction, didn't know about this car. It's very quite special, where when he purchased the car, I'm not going to tell you how much for, more than what he wanted to at auction, he won't mind me saying that, is when he got it home, he got a picture of, I'm guessing, the original owner in the actual car, which is quite good. And it has a nice touch of sort of history with the car. Me and Elliot, months back, have been underneath the, well actually you mate, wouldn't it really? Yeah, underneath the car, got it on axle stands, and with one brush over a full day, you were cleaning the under tray, this chassis of this car, and then it even got ripped out and then redone anyway, so sorry about that, mate. Yeah, and then we did the engine bay and everything else. So now the Lancia will have a safe wash in preparation for machine polishing, multiple stages of machine polishing to literally over the next 3 days try and get this stunning car as good as it actually possibly can with machine polishing. And we're going to wax the car because he doesn't want it coated. He wants to regularly maintain and wax the car himself. And there's a few stone chips that we need to touch in, sand back, make him look as good as they possibly can. And there's loads of little bits which you'll find out over this channel on this video over the next 3 days. Pre-wash the wheels, pre-wash the body together. Then we're going to contact wash the wheels and then contact wash the body and then rinse. So Charlie's now just going through the pre-wash process, checking the car as he goes. It has been, I think the car has had probably 15 layers of auto glue super resin polish because she's beading beautifully. That gets me excited. Oh, baby. There's a lot of finger bashing with these wheels, isn't there? Yeah. Who's that, mate? You must have said the client's name about 10 times. I know he's called Dean.
Yeah, that's what you do, because when you're on the phone to him, you take the number. Oh, geez, who's that?
Sam. He's found what in your front bumper?
A scuff, but it's fine. I've seen it on CCTV and it's definitely in the garage. I'm going to ring the garage up, but they've gone home early.
Yeah. They saw you calling, mate, that's why.
Yeah, annoying. But yeah, I'm just glad I could see it on I can zoom in on the CCTV. Cheers,
bye-bye. You'd be surprised how many dealers, after they've been from us, blame us for stuff that they've done, right, with scratches and marks, and they'll go, oh, the other guys must have done it.
Yeah. Should we service our clients?
Yes. Yes, Tom. How you doing, mate? I'm working around the bubble. Ah! It's following me around the car. I'm not sure if you saw in the background, but I was doing a safe wash on a 3 Series for one of our clients, and Charlie actually did the decon on the Lancia. So, Charlie! He's having a piss. Hey, he just calls it, yeah? Would you like to explain to the ladies and gentlemen how the decon has gone so far, on what you've done and why you've done it, please?
First, did synthetic clay, really soft Italian soft paintwork. There wasn't really much on it. Tiny bit grabby. After that, we did a fallout decon. Again, nothing really on it, but it's worth doing. You know, no overspray, no tar build up, no tree sap, no horrible contaminant. I think it's all original bar that one door.
I'll have to get my paint depth gauge on to find out. But
even the inner edge of the door, if they have painted it, but to me it looks painted. It could just be my eye being my eye. It was very smooth when I was clay barring it. The roof and the bonnet was a bit more grabby than the rest of the panels. Very smooth.
So next then is blow dry, towel dry, into the booth. Now she's prepped for polishing, shall we have a sound test? Sound check. Old school heavy steering. It's very smooth though. It is very smooth. Pedals are really close together. Want to be a rally car though, isn't it? Well, it's not a wannabe rally car, it is a rally car. Loads of room, loads of room. What are you flapping for, James? Loads of room, stop. Oh. Watch this. Oh, I wish you could have seen what I saw then. It jumped about 2 in the air. Porsche been detail coated, no aftershots, no time for that. Elliot, aftershots, done. Unfortunately, sorry guys, even though it's like my favourite bit, I know. What is also quite cool though is, maybe from this video, maybe another video, we've got a Jeep which has arrived. So I've got to get the Jeep in because the Lancia is also in. We managed to get it right into the corner of the unit and then we can block it in with the Gladiator Rubicon Jeep. It's a wafter, this, isn't it? It's a big wafter.
It's mad.
They're all saying thumbs up, but they can't see what I see. They're the ones driving. Woo! In there like swimwear. So we got the Fiat 500 in. Loads of space. Porsche has been gone, paid, incredibly happy. SVR, that's going soon. The Jeep will be going on, working on over next week, but what you care about is obviously the Lancia. Anyway, enough of that. Thanks for watching. See you again, as always, on the next video. Watch the Lancia. No expense. What's the word to say? No expense has been spared. Is that right? No. Mate, I've literally got millimetres to work with. This is going to be a really long video on how to wash a Lancia.
Oh, good job we're not editing it, right?
No, it's your job.